Welcome everyone to our beginners partner work tutorial 3. Today we'll be focusing on all the teaching points for the routine. Okay, let's begin. So guys, starting on the left foot, okay, in our basic step, we're going to step forwards and together. Now on the right, you're going to step back and together again. Repeat, forwards and together and back and together. Last time on the left, forwards and together. Now we're going to rotate together with a Cuban turn, locking your right arm in place, guys. We're going to step on the right, come round on the left and together with the right. Now leading the open step, guys on the left, stepping back and together, bringing that left hand towards the hip, down and up again. Now as we step back with the right, releasing the right hand, push the left hand across your chest and come back together, not collecting your partners. You're going to lead the ladies into a turn. So raise the hand to eye level, extend the hand towards the ladies, stepping out to the side, bring the hand back towards you as you cross over in front and turn the ladies around to face you. Now guys, we're on the right foot, we're going to turn ourselves, bring that left hand over to your right shoulder, up above your head as you step forwards on the left, push off with the right and rotate to face your partner. Repeat the first turn again, so we're going to extend, pull up, and around the head to turn the ladies before we step back and together, collecting our partners up to close, ready to start again. And that ends our part of the routine, guys. Now over to the ladies.
Alright ladies, so we're going to start with our basic, right foot going backwards. We're going to do this basic 5 times. Ready? And back and together, left foot forward and together. Again, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, last one. 1, 2, and Cuban turn. Out with the left, across, together, and. We open out now, ready. Right foot back, and together, disconnect, left foot back, and together. Not connecting with our partner again. He's going to turn us now, so we step back on the right, step forward on the left, pivot, and land. Ready? Out, across, together now, and out, across, together. We turn again, and 1, 2, 3. This time we're going to step straight back, and 5, 6, together, and we're all done.
Okay guys, this is just going to be a quick demo to show you in real time how this looks. So guys on the left, ladies on the right, we go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, last time, Cuban turn, 5, 6, 7, open back, 2, 3, 5, 6, ladies turn, 1, 2, 3, guys turn, 5, 6, 7, ladies turn, 1, 2, 3, and close back and together. And there you have it guys, that ends our beginners partner work tutorial 3. Hope you've enjoyed it. See you all next time.